Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making an Oreo milkshake. Today is a collab with the Rabbit Hole. Please go and check out her channel. She has amazing videos. I've done loads of collabs with her. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get started. All the ingredients, I'm listing them in the description and I'm just showing you guys what is in this recipe. So let's get started. So I always recommend starting off with your wet ingredients. So start on with the milk because it's going to be easier to blend your milkshake. Once you've added the milk, then you're going to add in your ice cream. As always, all the ingredients will be in the link in the description. And please, when you finish watching this video, go check out Rabbit Hole's channel. It'll be all in the link in the description. You guys need to see her milkshake. It looks delicious. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You will also need to add chocolate syrup at this point. And obviously the star of the show, Oreos. Add in a splash of vanilla. Then add in your ice cubes, as many as you like. I only use around 5 to 10. Then you're gonna blend everything together till smooth, until it becomes a milkshake, guys. Once all blended, add everything to your cups of choice and enjoy. Top off with anything you like, whipped cream, Oreos, chocolate chips, sprinkles, chocolate drizzle, which is what I've added in, and I'll show you guys what I've added on top, and I really hope you guys enjoy this. This is how I topped mine off. You can top off with anything you like and enjoy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please make sure to go like and subscribe. Go like and subscribe to Rabbit Hole's channel too. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.